Hey guys, I just wanted to kind of go over variables a little bit in case there's any confusion. As you know from math, a variable is a letter that replaces a number and has a number assigned to it. So anytime you use it, that number comes into play. In coding, you do the same thing. Only when you create your variable, instead of using just a letter, a lot of times you'll use a word. On the Bucktooth bunny, what they want you to do to start with is they want you to change the I. So what we're going to do is you're going to come up here using the hint code, and you're going to create your own variable. So I'm going to come down here, and you use the word var, which is short for variable when we use JavaScript. And since I'm going to affect the I size, that's what I'm going to call my variable. You don't have to call it that. You can call it whatever you want, but whatever you call it is what you have to use in your code. Now, I want to change the number to be something different than the 10 that it currently is. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to put 15 down. And as always, you have to end with a semicolon. Now, I've got my variable created. So what they want me to do is they want me to come down to my I code, look at your hint code again, and I'm going to replace the number with the variable. A lot of people say, oh, that would be the 15. But remember, the variable is not the number assigned to it. The variable is actually the word. So I'm going to go ahead and put my variable in, and you notice all of a sudden my I width changed a little bit bigger. I'm going to put it in for my height now, and you notice my I is bigger. Now they want me to change both, but I'm going to just hold off on that just to show you if I come up here to my variable and I change that number, it's going to automatically change both parameters of the height and width because that's where the variable was used. So using this, making sure you're following all the directions, and when you get done, you click next step. You should be able to work your way through all the lessons for today and get both Bucktooth Bunny and Funky Frog done without any trouble.